Let's start doing the question by drawing a part-whole model. We know that Raja received the maximum number of sweets, so let's represent the number of sweets that Raja had using this block. Now, we have the information that Raja got 12, 17 and 23 more sweets than Victor, Thomas and James. So, for Victor, he would have 12 sweets lesser than Raja. So this portion will be 12. For Thomas, he would have 17 sweets lesser than Raja, and this portion is the 17 fewer sweets. For James, he would have 23 fewer sweets, and this portion represents the 23 fewer sweets. Now, let's take the number of sweets that Raja has as 1 unit. So, according to this, Victor would have 1 unit minus 12 sweets. Thomas would have 1 unit minus 17 sweets, and James would have 1 unit minus 23 sweets. The question says that they all shared 360 sweets altogether. So this whole portion would represent 360 sweets. With this, we can calculate the value of 1 unit because the sum of all the sweets, that is 1 unit plus 1 unit minus 12 plus 1 unit minus 13 plus 1 unit minus 23 equals to 360, which means 4 units minus 52 is 360. So 4 units is 360 plus 52, which is 412. So let's calculate 1 unit. 412 divided by 4 gives us 103, and that will be the value of 1 unit, or the number of sweets that Raja had. Now we're supposed to find out how many sweets James received. This will be 1 unit minus 23. We know the value of 1 unit is 103. So we have to subtract the 23 fewer sweets that James had to find the number of sweets that he had received. So 103 minus 23 would give us 80 sweets, and that is the number of sweets that James received. To check our question, let's calculate the number of sweets each person had. Raja had 1 unit, which is 103 sweets. Victor had 1 unit minus 12, which is 103 minus 12, which gives us 91. Thomas had 1 unit minus 17, which is 103 minus 17, and that gives us 86. James had 80 sweets as per our calculations. So finally, the total will be 103 plus 91 plus 86 plus 80, which gives us 360. And this is the value that is given in the question as the total number of sweets that were distributed among the 4 boys. So our calculations and answer is correct.